In front of me is Oukitel WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any password that you wish to edit. Then enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and type in wherever you want to. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!